just arrived at the Rehana Resort. I am going to show you a little room tour. I did request that they give me the best room so I could show it in the best light. I know that this is not the best room that they've got. The air conditioning is on and that feels pretty cool, which is nice. So at least we're all right. So let's go for it. So we're walking in. We just walked in the entranceway. So what have we got? So we've got some cupboards. I mean, that looks really grim through the camera, I know, but it's okay. It's clean enough. Got a few hangers. This is the bathroom. So it's things like this that make you think, oh, you know, it's not like your top end hotels. But you know, hopefully that'll be a nice shower that will work nicely. Oh, that's handy. I can hang my clothes up there. So as long as it works, as long as it's clean, yeah, then we should be good. There is, oh no, there's no toiletries. I really thought there'd be some creams and things. Okay, never mind, not to worry. And then what we've got here, so we've got the toilet there. Always have a phone, don't they? Which makes me laugh. Yeah. Okay, and then what else have we got here? So we've got a kettle. We've got some water, which is great. You've got me, hi. I really need the water. I've got some tea. I've got little cups. I might actually go and see if I could buy myself a cup from the shop. What we've got in here. Oh, is this a fridge? We're discovering all this at the same time together. Little fridge in there, because I know people find that useful for medications and things. If you go to the shop and buy a few bits, and you could pop them in there. So that's that. And you come in here, look, it's a little lounge area, somewhere you can sit. There's definitely some aircon because those are moving. I'm gonna guess it's an adjoining room that I've got here. Not too sure. And then there's a little carpet on the floor, nice marble flooring. And I've got, I mean, they're single beds, but I would say they're probably gonna be big enough to be considered a double, really, I guess, aren't they? Don't you think? Yeah. And then there's this area to do your makeup. There's a telly. Don't look like I've got a hairdryer, and that is going to be a problem because I didn't bring one. I was hand luggage only. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a hairdryer. Ah, that's a massive problem. And then out here, I don't know what I can see out here. I mean, it won't be the beach because I'm not near the beach. I'm across the road. Oh, I've got a pool view. Oh, and a little balcony area that I can sit out on, which would be quite nice. I need to check. That's it, make sure the door's locked because that's the balcony you can walk onto, but that'd be quite cute sitting out there actually, right across from the pool. I like that idea. So yeah, I'm very glad to be here, don't get me wrong, but my God, isn't this a budget hotel compared to what we normally stay in? So to give you an idea, I paid £420. I'm gonna find a hairdryer, I'll be ready. Damn, there's a safe. Can't believe there's no hairdryer. Oh, my fringe is gonna look shocking. Yes. Okay, let's see what it's like. What do you have to do? That's all right, no? Okay, grateful for that. So, to give you an idea, I paid £420. There's the aircon. £420 for 2 weeks, all inclusive, including my flights. And much as that sounds like an amazing deal, and it is, you then have got to factor in, I'm just checking that there's no mozzies. I can't see any. Oh, yeah, I can. Got the odd one. You then got to factor in, I had to get a transfer, although that was provided for me kindly, although I did tip heavily, so I might as well have just got a taxi. But so I had to get that. I had to pay for some luggage. And even though I only paid for carry-on luggage, it was still, I think, about another £100 in total. I don't think, from what I've seen so far, that doing it that much of a budget was worth it. That's just my sort of knee-jerk reaction. But over the period of time, I'll see that. There is another hotel that I can use as well with this one. So hopefully I can get to go there and maybe have a look at their rooms as well. I will find one of the managers in the morning and ask him if I can show you guys around the other hotel, because there's two. This is called the Rehana, and there's a Rehana Royal as well. So I don't know if they've got any space, if they can let us have a look around the room. But being that I'm here for 2 weeks, it's definitely worth an ask. But I think I'm going to be comfortable enough. I'm a bit loath to do this with these beds because I'm also going to make a video the other way. Oh no, they feel lovely. I've never been in Egypt and had an uncomfortable bed, so that's for me, that's so important. Okay, now I need to wrap this video up. I'm aware it's a really short little one. I've been traveling, it feels like all day long. Need to get my Wi-Fi on and all the rest of it. So I'm going to bid you farewell for this one. Come back and see others. There's going to be so many hotels to show you. Go show you all the Christmas decorations out on the streets and loads of things. So yeah, it's time for me to get settled in, and this is fine. This is fine. I mean, for what I've paid, pretty much free. But then all these things do add up. I mean, I went and bought my shampoo, conditioner, all the rest of it. I haven't got any body lotion or anything, and I really thought it'd be there. Never been to a hotel where it's not been there before. But I'm not going to complain because it was a real bargain. But then, yeah. Anyway, that's enough out of me. I will catch you later.